Ever looked at your bank balance, wished for a sudden influx of cash, and wondered if there was a magical app that could make it happen instantly? Well, let's talk about Monese and whether it's the financial fairy godmother you've been searching for. In today's fast-paced world, time is money, literally. We need our cash accessible, and we need it now. Enter mobile banking apps, promising convenience, speed, and often a sprinkle of magic. One such app is Monese, which has gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and claimed speed. But does it truly deliver on its promise of instant transfers? Let's dive in. What is instant transfer? Before we dissect Monese, let's clarify what instant transfer means. In the realm of finance, it typically refers to a money transfer that's completed almost immediately, often within seconds or minutes. It's that satisfying whoosh sound you imagine when sending money. Monese, a quick overview. Monese is a mobile banking app that's positioned itself as a quick and easy way to manage your money. It offers features like spending analytics, budgeting tools, and, of course, money transfers. But is it as speedy as advertised? The instant transfer claim. Monese proudly boasts about its instant transfer capabilities. On paper, it sounds fantastic. Imagine paying a friend back instantly after a night out, or receiving your salary the moment it hits your employer's system. It's a tempting proposition. The reality check. Now, let's temper expectations. While Monese strives for instant transfers, several factors can influence the speed of a transaction. Network congestion. Just like rush hour traffic, banking networks can get congested, causing delays. Bank processing times. Even if Monese processes the transfer instantly, the receiving bank might take time to accept it. Transfer amount. Larger transfers often undergo additional security checks, slowing things down. Transfer type. Domestic transfers are generally faster than international ones. Testing Monese, a real-world experiment. To get a clearer picture, let's put Monese to the test. We'll simulate different transfer scenarios and time how long they take. Domestic transfer, sending money to a friend on the same banking network. Domestic transfer, sending money to a friend on a different banking network. International transfer, sending money to a friend abroad. Insert video clips of you conducting the transfer tests. Use clear on-screen graphics to display the time taken for each transfer. Results analysis. After conducting the tests, we found that while Monese is generally fast, it's not always instant. Domestic transfers within the same banking network were indeed speedy, often completing within seconds. However, when dealing with different banks or international transfers, there were noticeable delays. Other factors to consider. Beyond speed, there are other aspects of Monese to consider. Fees. While Monese offers free accounts, certain features or currency conversions might incur charges. Customer support. How responsive is Monese when you need help? Security. Your money is at stake, so security is paramount. Additional features. Does Monese offer features that align with your financial goals? Monese is undoubtedly a convenient mobile banking app with impressive features. Its instant transfer capabilities are a highlight, but it's essential to understand that instant isn't always guaranteed. Factors beyond Monese control can impact transfer speeds. If instant transfers are your top priority, it's worth exploring other options or contacting your bank directly. However, if you value convenience, user-friendliness, and a range of features, Monese is certainly worth considering. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and so are the services offered. While Monese has made significant strides in providing fast and efficient money transfers, it's essential to approach such claims with a touch of skepticism. Always do your research and choose the financial tool that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.